You expect it to vanish instantly, or at least stick and spread. But it doesn't touch, not even for a moment. It floats and starts moving on its own. This should not be possible. But heat changes everything. The bottom starts boiling instantly. And creates something you can't see. A cushion of vapor. That means no contact at all. No contact means no friction. And now, it can move freely. But something else begins. It loses stability. It starts to spin. Then suddenly escapes. Faster than it should be. And now, you've lost control of it. Watch this closely. It just changed direction by itself. Now it interacts. Almost like gravity is pulling them. It's not even stable anymore. Energy is building inside it. And then it releases. Did you see that speed? Something is pushing it. That you can't see it directly. It's barely stable now. And then it escapes. Now imagine multiple drops. They connect, then break apart. Now it's spinning. Completely unpredictable. Change the size. And everything changes. Every tiny detail matters. This is pure instability. Until it stabilizes and breaks that balance again. And now you're wondering, what's actually controlling this? It all starts here. Heat turns water into vapor instantly. That vapor pushes the drop up. So it never really touches. No contact means no friction. And that's why it moves so freely. But here's where it gets interesting. The vapor isn't stable. Pressure builds unevenly. And that creates motion. That's why it vibrates. And suddenly changes direction. Sometimes even spins. Because the force isn't constant. It's always shifting. Now it starts to make sense, right? What if the drop is bigger? More mass, more resistance. Now make it smaller. Now it's faster and harder to control. Lower the temperature. And it starts to fail. The cushion breaks down. Now increase the heat, and everything becomes more extreme. More energy, more chaos. What if the surface isn't smooth? Now the motion breaks completely. Add more drops. And it becomes chaotic. Every tiny change matters. But the rules never change. So what's really happening here? The drop is floating on vapor. That means almost zero friction. But the vapor isn't stable. And that's where motion begins. Small forces, big effects. That's why it moves so fast. Spin, vibration, sudden motion, all from something you can't even see. And now, you understand it. But this isn't the limit. push it further. And it starts to break. Not just moving, but collapsing. And this is where it gets really strange. Next, we break the drop completely.